Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your current login method and tap on Setup Face ID. Now follow the instructions, and when you're ready, click on Get Started. Now choose Done. And then, when I turn off my screen, I guess that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!